Walking on a line between the dark and light. Every step I take, I'm learning how to fight. Too much noise, but I can hear my soul trying to find a way to feel whole.
World keeps pulling me left and right, but I'm still standing in the middle of the fight. No more losing who I am. I'm stronger now, I understand. When I fall, I'll rise again. Through the loss, through the pain, every scar becomes a guide, leading me back to my side.
Balance, I'm finding my way through the night into the day. No more lost inside the storm. Balance keeps me safe and warm.
Balance heart and mind aligned. Every moment feels like mine. In the chaos I stand tall. Balance, I won't fall.
Too much fire can burn me down. Too much silence, I might drown. So I dance between the two.